In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete experience on LinkedIn Mobile. If you've updated your career and want your profile to reflect it, removing an old role on the LinkedIn Mobile app is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and have a stable internet connection so changes save properly. From the home screen, tap your profile picture, then tap it again to open your full profile page. This takes you to the place where all your information lives, including your headline, about section, and the experience section we're focusing on today. Scroll down your profile until you reach the experience section. On the right side of that section, you'll see a small pencil icon. Tap that pencil to edit the experience area. This opens a list of all the positions currently displayed on your profile. Find the role you want to delete and tap the pencil icon next to that specific entry. You're now in the edit screen for that position. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see the option to delete this experience. Tap Delete. The app will ask you to confirm because removing an experience is a permanent change to your profile. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Delete again. Once you do, LinkedIn will remove that position from your profile, and your experience section will update immediately. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you only need to fix dates, titles, or descriptions, you might prefer editing the entry instead of deleting it. The edit tools are on the same screen. If this was marked as your current position, deleting it may affect your headline or the way LinkedIn summarizes your current role at the top of your profile. It's a good idea to review your profile after the deletion to ensure everything still reads the way you want. Also, remember that LinkedIn occasionally updates its interface. If the pencil icon looks slightly different or appears as an edit option, the steps are the same. Open your profile, enter the experience section, choose the role, and then delete. That's all it takes to delete an experience on the LinkedIn mobile app. Review your profile one more time to make sure the change looks right, and you're all set. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.